Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today I brought a very important topic known as flipped learning. In this video we will discuss the concept, ideas and examples of flipped learning. So what is a flipped learning? Flipped learning is a pedagogical approach in which the typical concept of classroom-based learning is inverted. Students are introduced to the learning material before class, with classroom time then being used to deepen understanding through discussions with peers and problem-solving activities facilitated by teachers. In short, in traditional learning, students acquire knowledge in the classroom context and are then sent away to synthesize, analysis, and evaluate this after the class. In the flipped learning classrooms, students require knowledge before the class and use classroom time to practice and apply concepts and ideas through interaction with peers and teachers. After the class, students reflect upon the feedback they have received in class and use this to further their learning. Proponents of the flipped classroom approach emphasizes to deep learning or higher level cognitive skills that is encourages. Let's see what are the benefits of flipped learning. With my personal experience and within my organization, I am witnessed like so many teachers are doing that. Flipped learning has a very positive impact on both teachers and students. According to Aaron Sims, a famous scholar and educationist who helped pioneer the flipped classrooms model in 2007, flipped learning cultivates creativity, collaboration, and problem solving among students. Actually, recording lessons on video is more efficient and saves teachers time because they can be reused many times with different batches of students. Flipped learning also helps teachers provide individualized attention to students, differentiated instructions, thereby decreasing the opportunity gap. There are 4 pillars of flipped learning. Number 1, flexible environment. Educators create flexible spaces, expectations, and timelines where students choose when and where they learn. Number 2, the learning culture. It helps to develop learning culture and students are actively involved in knowledge construction and they participate in and evaluate their learning in a manner that is personally meaningful. Number 3, intentional content. Educators use intentional content to maximum classroom time in order to adopt method of student-centered active learning strategies depending on grade level and subject matter. Number 4, the role of professional educator is even more important and often more demanding in the flipped classroom than a traditional one. During classroom, they need to observe students, providing them with instant feedback and assessment of their work. Let's move to the very main part. How can we apply flipped learning in our classes? I'm going to share my personal experiences and some examples. Number 1, video-based flipped learning. You can use Edpuzzles, Nearpod, PlayPosit kind of apps. So you can assign videos to the students, you can embed questions throughout the video to track comprehensions. It is an easy way to engage students with interactive lesson. They can do individually or self-paced or sometime in groups. Flipgrid is also a social learning platform where students are asked questions and respond with the video, allowing other students to comment on their post and opening the door for discussion. Category number 2, game-based flipped learning. So you can use Bluecat, Kahoot, quizzes. So you can use Kahoot, which is a game-based learning tool. There are a lot of games already created by other teachers and you can use them, and also you can create your own. Students are highly engaged as they answer questions, creating an exciting learning environment. Quizzes is fun and engaging way to provide student-based formative assessment. Padlet is also one of the powerful resources for the student collaboration. It is a digital canvas where students can upload videos or images, write their text or upload documents. Students like these kind of activities. Category number 3, textbook based flipped learning. You may ask your students to read an article, novel, passage, engineering report, etc. as per your requirement, as per your content, and so students can join this class with sufficient background. Category number 4, research based flipped learning. It is useful for the new topics. You can ask your students to do small research before joining the class. Category number 5, project based flipped learning. You can assign your students a small project before actual practice of the content, ideal for those who want to try reverse Bloom's taxonomy. Number 6, blog-based learning. It is very effective and result-oriented approach where teacher is updating his or her blog daily or weekly and students start following this regular blog, and when they come in the class they are well prepared for coming lesson. Category number 7, group-based flipped learning. In order to encourage the culture of collaboration and healthy competitions between students, Group-based flipped learning is very useful. Students are assigned to join the class after group discussions and outcomes. Promotes group competitions, collaboration, and communication. Faux flipped classroom. This is a specific model targeting young learners. The aim is to replace the homework with instructional lecture videos and the other resources. When students come back to the classroom, one-to-one guidance and support are provided by the teacher. So thank you very much for your time. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is useful for you. You can try flipped classroom. Don't hesitate to share your experience with me, and take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Goodbye.